I am so excited. I'm sorry, I just can't keep it in. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time at my channel, hey, what's going on? I'm Becca, nice to meet you. Wow. I do hope you guys stick around. You get to learn about the real me. You're gonna go on some pretty cool trips and places. I really think you guys are gonna like going to UCC. Indiana is one of my favorite cities, but I know you didn't come here to listen to me talk, so let's get into it. So in typical Becca fashion, I am not going to be in Indiana until Friday. It's gonna be at like 4 or 5 a.m. Always late. We will. So you know it's going to be a bomb-ass road trip when you're on the side of the freeway with your hazards on because your buddy was just doing pulls and he's like, something's wrong. This trip is gonna be a shit show.
Sorry.
So we just got into UCC. We are pulling in. Thank you, Fleece, for the VIP.
Going to Suncoast.
So we just pulled into the track and it is super rainy and gross and like nasty, and it's been raining all morning, so I am really hoping that it's going to clear up and we're able to get some passes down the track today because that's what I came here for. So fingers crossed the Mother Nature cooperates.
Finally, the year we're going to put you guys on TV. We are super excited to see some super powerful diesel. Dyno's about ready to get kicked off. That first pass, Derek stayed right there.
There's a supercharger, couple stages of nitrous, through in there, give an extra attention to the time. Is really strapped.
That's right. Crystal clear.
.636 with an 8 and 123 miles an hour.
You know to run 30 to 40.
Flag 50.
Up there in the left lane.
You're welcome.
You're such sales girls. Yeah.
Stop.
Hi.
So this is day number 2 at UCC, and it is still raining.
Yep.
Look at how sad Diddy looks.
I bet you got his pump.
Pretty good by yourself. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too.
Look who I found.
We adopted a new child today, so I'm just gonna carry this around.
What are you gonna name it?
Is it full? Can I open it?
You gotta name it something.
Look who he met right now.
How original.
Turn around, let me see the back. Oh God, oh God, oh God. So we are on our way back to the track right now. We went back to the house and Levi took a nap and I changed because it's freezing, but the dyno is back up. So we are going to head back there and hopefully it doesn't start raining again.
They are going to work on the dyno. Not a good situation.
Josh Scruggs stealing the page from
You have a
Sean.
fireworks show over on the dyno.
Fire going, both.
Tony, got a second?
Yeah. Follow me, Josh.
It's in the back. Had a big thing of fucking rice. Look at that. With the little chops.
But we made it like 4 miles. We were in the center of Indy.
Do burnout. Do a burnout.
What?
Do a burnout.
It's dead, I swear to God.
There's oil. Oh.
No fuel on that too.
That's something. What's the nitrous? Did he get it? He was screaming.
That's what we wanted to see on that truck. That's the run that it's capable of with the conditions we have here today. No doubt about it for the Masters.
You get a 326?
So I am on my way home from UCC. The weather did not cooperate at all. Friday and Saturday were absolutely rainy and cold and gross, and today was like the first super nice day, but it was pretty much a cluster down at the track. So, you know, between trucks and all the prep and stuff like that, it didn't even get started until like 1 or 2, and unfortunately by that point we had to start driving home. So we are on our way home, and this has been a trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to bring you on all my other adventures. I love you guys so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I love you lots.